Hey, it's Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. It's so cool to be back here in the Creative Photo Academy studio for our first live event since pandemic shutdown. And tonight, for day 106 of our Be Creative series, we have a live figure shoot. We've got 8 students behind you with their masks on, making social distance so that they can photograph the lovely Dee and Eric behind us. And they've turned around so you can see their Facebook-approved sides. Maybe not their best side, but the one that Facebook likes the best is the back. So what have I got here? I've got my Nikon Z7 with the 24-70 lens. We've got some ProMaster and Savage LED lights. I'm going to be ISO 6400 at f2.8 at about a 500th of a second. And we're going to be photographing for about 2 hours tonight. It's going to be awesome fun. I'm going to post some appropriate pictures later. I want you to get out with your friends. Try figure photography because it's one of my favorite things to do with the camera. I know a lot of you are scared of it, and you should watch my video on why figure photography. It's awesome. Dee and Eric look great. Look at that. Yes. Oh, somebody's a little nervous, I can tell, but that's part of the fun of figure photography is getting out and having some fun. Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo, Creative Photo Academy in the lab at Paul's Photo, wishing you great pictures. Share your pictures. Remember the hashtags. And come out, we're going to do some pictures right now. See you tomorrow.